All right, before we get started, subscribe to my channel. I thought this was a pretty interesting story. I know here in this last couple of weeks you probably have heard about it, this transgender, Leah Thomas, the swimmer. She was ranked number 462 in men, and then she moved over into the women's, and she is ranked number 1 in the women. But I'm gonna let you listen to some of this stuff and you tell me what you think. And you know, some people, like this lady right here, where we're gonna start off, it ain't nothing that you can say that will convince her. Just listen to what she has to say. And Caitlyn Jenner. You may have to, if you got sensitive ears, you probably want to put some earplugs in when you're listening to him, or you probably could fast forward through his interview. But little Boosie, you know, he don't hold anything back. If you guys ever watched him or seen anything, Boosie is not going to hold anything back. He's going to speak what's on his mind, and he's going to keep going. He's going to be criticized for it, but he doesn't care. But anyway, let's listen to this together and you tell me what you think.
She's just a woman.
Just a woman?
All women come in different body types. Women come in different muscle masses. She is a woman.
Do women have penises?
Women can have penises.
Can men get periods?
Men can get periods.
And can men get pregnant?
Men can get pregnant.
Leah Thomas should not be swimming in women's swimming. Period. Dead stop.
All right, then this next race, Leah Thomas placed 5th. She placed 5th in this race right here. I think she kind of slowed up. She could have won that race probably easily, but like Caitlyn Jenner gonna say, hey, the whole world is watching, you know. She probably could blow the records out. She probably could get any record she wanted in the swimming, but she's not gonna do it right now because too many people are watching, too much controversy going on. But this is the 5th place she's got. But let's listen to Caitlyn Jenner here.
Let's bring in with us now Caitlyn Jenner, who's got a lot to say on this. Caitlyn, it's great to have you here. Let me just set this up by saying that Leah Thomas destroyed the field in the 500-yard freestyle. She was 1.75 seconds faster than the runner-up, but she was 9 seconds slower than the record set by Katie Ledecky back in 2017. So she was faster than all the women in the pool last night, but she's not the fastest woman ever. So how do we put this all into perspective?
I think she was probably taking it very easy in the race because she knew the world was watching, and she's just going to go fast enough to be able to win the race. Leah Thomas just dominated in the pool, and I'm sure she took it quite easily because she didn't want to win by too much.
What you guys think? You know, this is, me personally, this is wrong. If you was born a man, you transitioning over to a woman, and you was placing 462 in the men, and then you jump to 1st place as a woman. Come on, something's wrong with that. But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.